Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you all how to make your own PSN account on your mobile phone. So click the link in the description below. Okay, so once you click the link you should reach here, then click on the sign in button and click on create new account. Now enter your official email address and password and click on next. Enter details regarding to your country, your language and your date of birth and then click on next. Then enter your city, state and postcode. Now you can type your own desired online ID or you can select from the few suggestions given below. Then enter your name and your last name and click on next. Now all you have to do is agree with the terms and conditions, accept and create your account. As soon as you press on agree and create your account, you will get a verification email to your official email address which you put in earlier. Make sure you verify it from your email account, and as soon as it gets verified, your PSN account is ready.